Stampers, this is Jackie Ross, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Plano, Texas. And today I'm going to show you one of the projects that we did in our January Stamp Club. It's this cute little treat box using the Label Me Pretty stamp set, and it comes as a bundle with the coordinating punch. The other products that we're going to be using for this project are the clear treat boxes. These are the little 2-inch square treat boxes. A strip from the Fresh Florals Designer Series paper stack. You get 48 sheets of 12 by 12, so you can imagine how many cards and projects you can make with this. And also the In Color 2017-2019 12 by 12 cardstock. These are the 5 colors that we have for that. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to give you the measurements as we go along. However, I have a printed sheet, and if you would like a copy of this printed sheet, you can just email me and I'll be happy to send it to you so you have a copy with all the measurements and the photograph of the project. The project actually was inspired by a demonstrator friend of mine, Leanne Greff. She had actually used it as a Christmas one, so I've just altered it to use it for any kind of thank you or just anytime you want to do a treat. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, we're going to assemble the box. You get 16 of these clear tiny treat boxes. I'll leave these here. And it does come with directions. So you'll notice when you take the treat boxes out that it has this kind of like piece in here, and it looks like there's something wrong with it, but it's actually a protective piece of clear wrapping, because these are an acetate, so they don't want to get scratched and it stops them from all sticking together. So you're just going to peel this off and throw it away. Oh, if you can. And then you're going to take the box and you're just going to fold on all the score lines. So as I say, it's already for you. It comes nice and flat, and all you have to do is fold in on all of the score lines here that are already on here for you. So as I say, it does have directions. So the piece which has the U is your first fold in. Oh, first fold in, and then the 2 sides come in, and you can see they just tack. They just go inside that little part, and then this comes in here. So that's the bottom of your box. Then we can turn this over and tuck in. Obviously, you put your treat inside. Candy, a little K-cup would fit in here. Probably even a little candle or something. All sorts of fun stuff you could put in there. So our next thing is our cardstock. The cardstock is cut 2 inches by 12, and it's scored at 2 inches, 3 inches, 5, 7, 9, and 10. And you'll notice the middle 3 are all the same size. So we need to use our tear and tape for this, or you could use your green glue. I love the tear and tape. It's very easy to use, and it does have a good hold. So we're just gonna take this off, and then we're gonna fold on all these score lines. The box is going to come in the center here, and then it's going to come up, around, and then you're just going to match the ends here. Now, if you want to, you can see where there's a little bit of a gap here. You could put another little piece of glue here. I like to leave it open, because you'll see when we put the paper around, you could still slide the box out, so if they wanted to, they could re-gift. The Designer Series paper, the measurement for that is 1 1/4 inches by 10, and again I'm just going to put a little bit of tape on the end here because as I say, I like the tear and tape. It has a good stick, and it's not quite as messy as the green glue. So then you're going to, I just realized I need to put this back on here for a second, because we want to do our measurement. So we want to get this so we have a nice finish on the edge, just to line it up here, and then we're just going to pinch it on all the corners. So you don't need to score it, you're just pinching it on the edges to measure it around. And then if you had it here, it would be kind of an ugly finish. So we're going to then wrap this, take this underneath, and put this on top. And then when we take this off, which is, I did a little bit too early, when we measure this here, you can see, and then again, this would slide off for them to get to. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use our glimmer paper. Just love this. This is the Dazzling Diamonds glimmer paper and our 2-inch circle punch. Punch the circle. A little bit of snail on the back of here. Onto here. And next we're going to actually bring in our stamp set. So our stamp set is Label Me Pretty, so lots of different occasions. My kitchen, if you're going to put a little homemade treat in there, different labels, a thank you, you're the best, and happy birthday. So good all occasions. We are going to use, I'm going to use the You're the Best. I'm just going to use my Memento black ink pad. Stamp that, because we always stamp first, and then we're going to take the circle punch. This is the 1 1/4 inch circle punch. And when you use your punch upside down, you can see where you're going to stamp. Oh, that doesn't fit like that, does it? Okay. All right. Then I know I've got dimensionals here somewhere. Buried, you can't see the mess to the side here. It's out of camera range, which is probably just as good. All right, dimensional. Never be without dimensionals. Oh gosh. Oh, you know what? We haven't stamped our piece here. So now we're going to use this. We're going to use this stamp. Oh, I need my black Memento again. Stamp, stamp, stamp. Again, use the punch upside down so we can see exactly where we are punching. Okay, now we've already got the sticky off the back of this. So this is going to go on here. And then I suggest 2 dimensionals on the back of your label here, because the glimmer paper does not like being stuck to. So you really do need a couple of dimensionals. You can't get, normally you could get away with 1, but this time we're going to put 2 on here. And then our final little thing to finish this off is the felt bow. As you can see, everything is just color coordinated. The felt bows come in a package of 20. So because there are 5 in colors, there are 4 of each color. If you're not good at tying bows, this is perfect. They're flat enough to go through the mail if you put them on a card. And as I say, they're felt. They're just gorgeous. And the great thing with these, they actually have sticky on the back. It's like a little round dimensional. All you have to do is take off the sticky on the back and place this on here. And our little treat is finished. So this is the one I had done in the Tranquil Tide. This is the Lemon Lime Twist. I have it also in the Berry Burst. Oh, that one moved a little bit. And the Fresh Fig. What color am I missing? Okay. Oh, the powder pink. Don't know where a powder pink one is. The other thing I wanted to let you know is I do have this. These are the in colors for the 2017-2019. So we still have 2 more years. Well, yeah, 18 months or so of these. Fresh Fig, Berry Burst, Powder Pink, Lemon Lime Twist, and Tranquil Tide. If you would like me to send you one of these little, I guess, color cards with the pieces of the samples on there, then please feel free to give me an email. Send me an email at jackie.stamps@verizon.net. And thank you again for watching my video, and please come back and visit often. Thank you. Bye-bye.